Hi everyone, this is Leon here from Gardens with Purpose. Right now I'm actually at this farm called Toh Orchids. Yeah, not sure because the camera is a selfie camera, so it'll be reversed, so it will say something hot. But okay, anyway, it's at Toh Orchids. It's located at Choa Chu Kang there. So just want to share with you a little bit more about this farm here, okay? This orchid farm. So you can follow me. So as you can see, this place is really almost picture perfect. You know, you can see they grow a lots and lots of orchids here. Yeah, the interesting thing about this place is they don't really sell to consumers. I mean, it's located in a very ulu place, you know, Sungei Tengah, you know, that kind of thing. So their focus was actually mainly on exporting orchids to places like Europe. As you can see, they have like thousands and thousands of various orchids in this farm. You know, they go there at different stages, you know, from the younger saplings to the bigger orchids. So yeah, most of these orchids was actually planned to it's more of a B2B kind of business. That means they supply to distributors in Europe, or maybe sometimes they even supply to the I don't know, botanical gardens or places like that. So you can see endless like orchids, thousands of them. Sometimes you do get very interesting species, but the most common one you see will be dendrobiums, because that's the most popular orchids in terms of demand wise. Yeah, most people won't really know the difference, but yeah, this is called dendrobium. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, then you can go inside. Give me a second. So orchids like these are actually called dendrobiums. It's the most common orchid that you find in Singapore, and this is the ones that they export. So they have different stages. They will actually grow them, you know, as they grow bigger, they will repot the plants, and then after that they will harvest the flowers and they export all these flowers to Europe. You see, this place is actually huge. And one thing I like about this farm is that it's very neat. You know, the way they arrange everything is really a beautiful farm here. Okay, they have white, they have pink, they have different various combination of colors for the dendrobiums. This is the packing area. Okay, so they have a lot of long tables here. In the past, when I first came to this farm many years ago, this place was filled with aunties, you know. So all the senior citizens, they will come here and they will help to pack the flowers. So the boss early in the morning would drive to the MRT and fetch all the aunties here, and then they will all start to pack the flowers, get it ready for export. But of course, you know, due to COVID, the export business is not there anymore. So nowadays this place is mostly empty, like the packing area, which is I find it quite sad. Okay, so packing area. So the reason why I want to share with you a bit about Toh Orchids is because this is one of those Singapore family business that's been here for like generations, so many years, and they're one of those family business that, you know, has been really badly affected by COVID. So previously they were exporting to Europe, you know, the cut flowers and everything, but now it's totally shut down. So they have zero income from their side. In order to survive, they're trying to, you know, make some changes here and there. So now they do sell cut flowers, and you know, they arrange the orchids into a very beautiful bundle or pot itself as gifts. So you know, if your company or your organization, or let's say you have an event and you want to buy a lot of orchids to decorate your office, make it look beautiful, you know, really nicely made hampers or something like that, I encourage you to contact Toh Orchids. You can actually call Jesslyn or WhatsApp her or message her. Her numbers will be in the flyer, which will be in this video shortly. And you know, support local, you know, and help all the local businesses that are affected by COVID. Okay.